So Canva is really a big help of making your media, yung image. Doon yung gagawin sa Canva yung image and then yung mga text na i-highlight nyo doon so that mas magiging effective yung ating ad creative. So next naman is itong headline. Yung headline ng Adobe Acrobat is try Acrobat Pro free for 7 days. So yung headline naman, this is kumbaga ano yung mga additional nyo pa na in-offer. Ano pa yung in-offer nyo? Like you are offering like 50% off if you will purchase within 2 days or may mga freebies ba? So yan yung ilalagay nyo sa headline so that mas mahuhook or mas makakatch nyo yung attention ng inyong potential na customers. And then last naman but not the least, itong sa pinakababa, this is the call to action. So mostly ito yung button. Kumbaga you can put there learn more. So pwedeng dalhin nyo yung client, yung potential client nyo doon sa website niyo or it could be shop now.